very valuable at this point in time, since you've served in the region and you understand it entirely. On that note, I believe I have Sanjay Sharma joining us from outside the residence of the Home Minister. Sanjay Sharma joining me from Delhi at Amit Shah's residence. My colleague Ajay Jandial with us from Jammu. Let me first go across to Sanjay. Sanjay, we had earlier learned that a team of the NSG personnel had arrived at the car blast site near the Red Fort as the probe now continues. And we've also learned from our sources within the Delhi police, Sanjay, कि जो initial investigation है into the Red Fort car explosion, the Delhi police, currently our sources tell us that the Delhi police is looking at a suicide attack as a possibility. What further details can you share with us, Sanjay?
देखिए, अभी तक जो इनिशियल जब तक जो जांच रिपोर्ट जो सामने आई है उसके अनुसार जैसा आपने बताया फिदाइन अटैक माना जा रहा है। टेरर अटैक था, आतंकी हमला था, लेकिन ये फिदाइन हमला था और इसमें कहीं ना कहीं फरीदाबाद मॉडल जिस तरह से बस्ट हुआ उसके बाद से डॉक्टर उमर जल्दबाजी में था इस तरह के अटैक को अंजाम देने के लिए, और ये एक तरह से आप कह सकते हैं कि जल्दबाजी में किया गया अटैक है। अगर वेल प्लान अटैक किया जाता तो इसके पास काफी बड़ी संख्या में विस्फोटक उपलब्ध था, और सिर्फ दिल्ली में एक जगह नहीं, लाल किला ही नहीं था, इसके निशाने पर और भी कई सारे स्थान थे। तो अभी जांच चल रही है, पूछताछ भी हो रही है, उमर के परिवार से भी पूछताछ की जा रही है, उमर के साथियों को भी धरा गया है, उनकी भी धरपकड़ की जा रही है। तो इस समय पूरी तरह से छानबीन की जा रही है, जांच की जा रही है, और क्या इसमें किस तरीके से, क्योंकि जो मॉडल दिखाई दे रहा है वो जैश-ए मोहम्मद का मॉडल दिखाई दे रहा है, तो क्या ये जैश-ए मोहम्मद से जुड़ा हुआ था, ये इन सब बातों की जांचें की जा रही हैं। फिलहाल इंक्वायरी ऑन है, तो इस समय किसी भी कंक्लूजन पर पहुंचना ठीक नहीं होगा, लेकिन इतना जरूर है कि उमर का यह फिदाइन हमला था, आतंकी हमला था, और इसको वेल प्लान करने की बजाय उन्होंने जल्दबाजी में किया था। जब जैसे ही फरीदाबाद मॉडल जैसी बस्ट हुआ, जैसी पुलिस ने धरपकड़ की, उसके बाद से ये जल्दबाजी में था, इसको लगना था, ये इस बात से डर चुका था कि कहीं इसकी गिरफ्तारी ना हो जाए, तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि इसकी गिरफ्तारी के डर से इसने जल्दबाजी में इस तरह के अटैक को अंजाम दिया है।
Okay, Sanjay, बने रहिए हमारे साथ. I also have Ajay Jandial joining us on the broadcast. Ajay, sources have now informed us that 3 suspects have also been detained from Jammu and Kashmir so far today in connection with the Red Fort car blast. What further can you share with our viewers, Ajay?
Pardon, please repeat the question.
Ajay, I have learned that 3 suspects have been detained in Jammu and Kashmir so far today in relation to the Red Fort car explosion. What further can you share with us?
Yes, Jammu and Kashmir police is continuously working to ensure that all the suspects, those who basically can have some links with the terror attack which took place there in the Delhi, that has to be investigated, and that's why these raids are going on. We have seen that 3 people were arrested from Kashmir. 2 Bangladeshi national was arrested from the Jammu railway station. Those who were traveling from Delhi to Jammu, and that was the same timing was the same, because yesterday evening they boarded train from the Delhi, and today morning they have reached there in the Delhi Jammu railway station. They were apprehended. They were Bangladeshi. They crossed over the international border in the Assam, and then they were traveling to Pulwama. So that seems to be the reason that why they were going to Pulwama, because Dr. Umar was also is also from Pulwama. So is there any link of these Bangladeshi nationals, those who were traveling in the train? So that is what exactly is happening over here in Germany. High alert has been sounded everywhere, wherever you see. You can see that when nation is celebrating the 150 year of Vande Mataram, and you can see that how programs are being organized over here. But with the gathering and the programs, what we can see that adequate number of security personnel have been deployed over here in part of the Jammu, and this is basically a new normal, we can say, for nowadays, because we know that incident which took place yesterday, that could be the first one. There are possibility of the more such incident in Jammu and Kashmir and other part of the country as well. So that's why authorities, they don't want to take any kind of risk. I will try to speak to the SP South over here, who is here in the Jammu. I'll try to speak to him as well, sir. Program is going on over here. What kind of security arrangement is ensured in Jammu city? Because we know that what has happened, that has shaken the nation.
What I can say, I request the general public to be more vigilant and cooperative. We expect and we believe that the public is our eyes, ears, and the biggest source of inspiration as well as information also. So anything which anybody observes which is lying suspiciously, somebody moving suspiciously, or any unattended object which is lying in the market or any other place, that needs to be reported to the police, nearest police establishment, be it police chowki, police thana, the SDPO, the concerned SP, SSP. And if anybody doesn't have that number, he or she can simply give a simple call on 100 number, which is a PCR number. So once again, I request the general public to be, more alive to the situation what is there. And be a vital part to the security apparatus of the country.
We know that Jammu is basically transit for Kashmir as well, and we have seen that number of people from outside Jammu and Kashmir also living in Jammu. So how threatening it could be? Are you investigating that links as well?
See, as of now, there is nothing alarming. We request every stakeholder to be very calm and at peace. There's nothing alarming as such. Investigation is going on of the Delhi blast, whether it is a terrorist act or something else is there. And if there is any link anywhere elsewhere in the country, we should leave it to the investigating agencies to unravel that. That's all I can say.
Thank you so much for speaking with us. And you can see that they are saying that we are also requesting the public to be alert if you talk about the security arrangement in the Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes, Ajay, stay on with me. Ashik, our colleague, also joining us. Ashik,